Like burnt out torches by a sick man's bed, gaunt cypress trees stand round the sun-bleached stone. Here doth the little night owl make her throne, and the slight lizard show his jeweled head. And where the cellist poppies flame to red, in the still chamber of yon pyramid, surely some old world sphinx lurks darkly hid, grim warder of this pleasance of the dead. Ah, sweet indeed to rest within the womb of earth, great mother of eternal sleep, but sweeter far for the restless tomb in the blue cavern of an echoing deep, where the tall ships founder in the gloom against the rocks of some wave-shattered steep. Oh, sweet indeed to rest within the womb of earth, great mother of eternal sleep, but sweeter far for the restless tomb in the blue cavern of an echoing deep, where the tall ships founder in the gloom against the rocks of some wave-shattered steep.